Now, I would like to invite Mr. R. CHELLAPPAN, Chairman and Managing Director, Swelect Energy Systems Limited, Chennai.
A very good evening, friends. It's my honor to be with you here today. So, as everyone talked about, it's a great moment for us. It's a very interesting day because after the COVID lockdown, after a gap of a couple of years, we are back again. And it's wonderful to meet you all under one roof. It's always a pleasure. But all these are happening year on year for the last 30 over years, thanks to our dear friend, Dr. Sai. I met Dr. Sai in our office. I don't remember the month, but during the year 1994. That was the year we were grouping our units, and then we were going through an IPO process. And then the very first year of our participation in Softdisk, we became number one. UPS, in the UPS ranking, Numeric became number one. And then from that particular year onwards, the legacy is being continued. And then the second lap is played by our dear friends in Legrand Numeric. Satpal Singh is here. And they continue the legacy. Of course, all of us continue our legacy. That's very important. So I have, because you all talked about industry quite a bit, so I would like to talk about Dr. Sai, a great gentleman, hardworking, and with a high level of dedication. We are all dedicated to ourselves and to our business and then our families and what we do. Dr. Sai goes one step above. He doesn't mind about his health conditions, travel conditions, food, and his own health matters, but still he travels. He makes it a point to meet all of us in our place and then collects data. Then he gets the reporting done through very fair practice. That's what is very, very important. Extreme fair practices, and then sampling quality is high. So Dr. Sai never compromised on his quality of work. So that way, once again, all of us, let's give a very big hand to Dr. Sai for his untiring work and 3 decades of excellent reporting, high quality reporting. And also, we all have been having good times all these years. Although in industry, we are not nasty competitors, but we have been healthy competitors, no doubt about it. I would like to definitely endorse, because of my long experience with the UPS industry, we have been conducting ourselves properly in the industry in front of customers, and then we have been not getting into dirty competition. In a way, Softdisk also helped to that. That is my personal viewpoint. How Softdisk helped the, being unhealthy competitors in front of customers, this kind of events are one of the reasons. We all move like one family here. Whatever be the type of products we sell, at what cost, what price, what market segment, and how, we don't care about it. Today, we are all one family. That is our UPS cum Solar family. This was all the while possible thanks to Dr. Sai. So that's my very strong endorsement on our dear friend Dr. Sai for his continuity. Like we all say in the UPS industry, power continuity. For him, the reporting continuity, and then Softdisk should see a, uninterrupted growth forever. I would say forever. And Balaji is here, and then somebody will succeed. And good friends like Anand and the entire Softdisk team assembled here. Hats off to you all, and then happy UPS come Solar Day. So about the industry, I think all of you have talked about, I think like Mr. Satpal said, all of you said, certainly power industry has a great future, no doubt about it. Be it green energy or be it from any kind of electrical energy in the form of stored energy or green hydrogen. I am surprised none of you spoke about green hydrogen, but please think about it going forward. That's going to be one of the forms of very reliable energy storage. We have already started, just for information. We have pilot energy storage projects already installed, and then we are going commercial, and green hydrogen is the next step that we would like to follow. Of course, solar, we are doing what we want to do in solar, we are comfortably doing. And personally, as you all know, I am engaged with our foundry business, and I am more connected with our European customers, and then my focus is more in Europe now, largely in oil and gas. But I wish you all happy power days, happy UPS come solar days. Thank you.